Alright, here's our first sig test. We're taking this x, we're plugging it in for each x. That's how I ended up here. My advice is always use parentheses, it'll help you out. I must do exponents before I do multiplication. I'm just doing the order of operation, PEMDAS. You hear the nice air conditioner turning on? So there's 9, negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Negative times a negative makes that a positive, makes it a 6 and a 5. So you just add those together and you get 19. Over here I do the multiplication before I do the subtraction and addition, and I just add those together, and that's how I got 23. On this one, number 2, I have the area, well that's just an x squared. That's a y squared and a y squared, so I have 1x squared, 2y squareds, and 1, 2, 3 y's. It's a little hard to see those lines right there. Perimeter, if this is an x squared, that has to be an x, an x, and an x. If this is a y, then that's y long, and that's 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Y squared means that's y, 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 y. Combine like terms. 1, 2, 3 x's minus 1 is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 y's. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's 6 ones. Most people miss this one because they don't know that the area is base times height. I saw a lot of people adding these together. The length is 8 feet longer than the width. So I guessed the width. The length is 8 longer, so I just took the width and added 8. There's my 18. Find the area. Let's multiply them together. It's 180. Too small, I guessed bigger. And I guess 11, added 8. That's 19. Multiply them together. There it is. And of course I answer the question, what is the length of the rectangle? And there it is. Combine like terms. I combined all the x's together, so that's 4 plus 6 is 10 minus 2. There's my 8x squareds. Now I looked at the x's. Negative 3x. Negative 13 is negative 16. And plus 10x gives me negative 6x. And now I'm down to just the constants. 3 minus 9 plus 8 gives me the 2. Find the area. Well, area of a triangle is just 1/2 base times height. Base is 12, height is 8. Multiply them together, divide by 2, and there you go. This one's a lot more complicated. I broke it up into 3 figures, cut that across, that up and down. And if this is 10 and that's 10, the area is 100. If this is 10 and the whole thing's 18, so 18 minus that 10 gives me 8. So I have 8 times, this is 10, that's 44, so this whole length must be 54. 8 times 54. And there's that area. And then it's just 8 times 6 divided by 2. Gives me that area. Add all 3 areas together, and there I have it. And how do I turn this off?